Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Detox tea market. This $49 billion market is one of the evergreen segments that hasn't seen much of a decline. Tasty, isn't it? However, people prefer to use detox tea for medicinal and health purposes. If you want to reduce weight, have a better digestive system, a functioning liver and to clear toxin, you would look into detox tea as an option. There are many smaller niches within this segment that can be a great money puller for you. It's an interesting market segment as it would give you recurring revenues through repeat orders. Develop a killer marketing strategy and start your online business today. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.